Hi friends, welcome to another Sunday with Sarah. If you haven't met me before, I'm Sarah Baldwin. I am a Waldorf teacher, an author, the mother of 2 Waldorf graduates, and I'm also the owner of Bella Luna Toys. And today I'm recording this, it's November, and Thanksgiving is coming, and I thought it'd be a great time to talk about the topic of gratitude. Gratitude is such an important thing to cultivate in young children from an early age. And we know so many studies show that by practicing gratitude as human beings, we become happier. We become happier when we focus on all the blessings in our lives and the positive things in our lives and not all the things that are missing and wrong. So we can cultivate a sense of gratitude in children by practicing gratitude ourselves. And one great way to do this as a family is with the tradition of a gratitude jar. This is something we practiced in my family and other families like to do. Some families like to start it at the beginning of the new year, and others, I also think Thanksgiving is a wonderful time to start this tradition, start a new jar, and review everything you were grateful for in the past year. So what is a gratitude jar? How does it work? Well, you can find a glass jar like this. It could be a vase or a bigger jar, could even be a basket. I like a glass jar because you can see all the little slips of paper with the gratitude notes filling up, and that is exciting for a young child. You could have put it in a prominent place in your kitchen or a family room where children in your family are reminded of it every day and feel some excitement about it. You could have strips of colored paper cut out and ready to write on. And on your slip of paper, each family member can just think of something he or she is grateful for that day. Whether it's we went to the farm and picked strawberries today, or the nice man in the grocery store who smiled at me. And I also recommend that you do it at a regular time. It could be once a week. It could be every day at dinner time, during the family dinner or before bed. Or it could be once a week. Every Friday at dinner, we get out the gratitude jar and we each think of something we're grateful for that week and put it in the jar. And then at the end of the year, on the next Thanksgiving, you can get out the gratitude jar, and before you sit down to your meal, we can pull out each slip of paper. For instance, here's one I wrote. I'm grateful that my accident allowed me to realize how many caring family members and friends I have in my life. Earlier this year, I was in an accident and hospitalized for a few weeks, and it was very moving to me to realize how blessed I was to have so many wonderful, caring people in my life who just all came out for me to help. So I hope that gives you an idea. And again, I want to mention that I know that some of you are in Canada and you have a different Thanksgiving Day from those of us here in the US. Some of you may be in other countries that don't have a Thanksgiving Day at all. So you may choose to start your gratitude jar on the first of the year and review it on New Year's Eve at the end of the year. So I hope that gives you an idea. Let me know if it's something that you might try or that you've already been doing. And may your days always be filled with blessings and much gratitude. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more Sunday with Sarah videos, be sure to subscribe to the Sunday with Sarah YouTube channel and click the little notification bell to be notified every time we publish a new video. As always, I really appreciate hearing from you. Leave a comment below the video, or you can email me at sundaywithsarah@bellalunatoys.com. And I love hearing your questions and answering them, and maybe I'll answer yours in a future video. See you next Sunday.